Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video we will discuss what made Vitara Brezza India's most selling SUV. India's most selling compact SUV is Vitara Brezza in the market. And today's we will discuss what made it with the points. So the first point is its shape. So it started with EcoSport. Competition was EcoSport of Vitara Brezza. And Maruti launched it in 2016. As in 2016, they were main competition of Brezza was Hyundai Creta. Last time first generation was Creta was launched in 2016, and at that time people don't like to buy compact SUVs. But when Brezza came in the market, SUV of this shape, I mean, in the price of tag of 7 to 11 lakhs was really amazing. In 7 lakhs, and Brezza was in the shape of in price of 7 lakhs. You could get a big SUV like Brezza, which was more taller. And earlier you got headlights like this, not changed with projector lights to LED setups, but at that time when you got to buy in the market, you could get a big SUV, which wasn't was lengthy, but it was has more ground clearance and was wide, looking like a solid car in the market. Maruti Brezza, Vitara Brezza, and talking about the key, you got a smart key in V starting from VXI onward today. And it was not only its shape, it was design elements were really good in the car. From the interior top model, especially ZDI, ZDI Plus, ZXI or ZXI Plus. They were very premiumness quality used in Brezza. Or they were good features at that time. If we talk, you get instrument cluster which has color options. You can change the color, average, MID. At that time, it was really good to have such a great MID features, and you can even change the color like orange, white, yellow, light yellow, blue, and this was really good. You get a stereo in LDI to ZDI variant. From ZDI Plus onwards, you get the touch, and today in the market, you get a Z from ZXI onwards the touch. You get a cruise control even in the top model. You got a push start stop button in the top model and auto headlights that were really good. At that time, you got too many features: sunglass holder, with starting from ZG and ZA plus on back day. And here you also didn't get any mirror, but today you got mirror as well as light here. And there are halogen lights. In 2016, it was really good car to have with features and fully loaded with features and at shape. So this thing is really good. I mean, every car should have like this blue colors, or you can change color in the MID. Very few cars have like this. And Maruti Suzuki Brezza is the highest selling car amongst its competitors in the market because it has a Suzuki badge, and at that time it used to have the DDS diesel engine of Maruti Suzuki, which made it famous. It gave average of around more than 20 plus average was obtained by Maruti Brezza in diesel. And today also they've discontinued the diesel engine, but still it in petrol engine it gives off 19 to 20 average as owner says. And third reason was of Suzuki badge. I mean, no low maintenance cost services that time. Suzuki, you gotta trust that Suzuki have a different kind of trust on Suzuki cars, and it looked really good with style elements was really good in this car. Features, premiumness, everything was good in that car at that time, and competition was only EcoSport or Creta. But in sub form, there was only EcoSport. WRV came later, and it was a really good car to have. And after some time, when global NCAP crash test came out, it scored 4 stars and became the one only Maruti car to score more than 3 stars in global NCAP test, even till date. It has but talking about the build quality of Brezza, like other Maruti cars. It wasn't really good, not up the mark. But structure is not based on the Hartech platform like other Maruti cars. Many of them. So structure was strong, and this car was good in what everything you have in this car. I mean features okay, average, low maintenance cost, comfort, everything it used to have. And still to date, it is surviving with 8 competitions, highest selling car. The change which came in 2020, Maruti hasn't made any much changes. Outside was fine. Okay, they were good. See, outside leather seats were there. They were good alloys, but from the interior, which in the 2020 Brezza wasn't up to mark. Compared to old one, it doesn't have any much changes. Just expect from the screen. It has Android or Apple CarPlay, but plastics are still weak. But after 5 years, also Brezza is surviving for some reason. For average, for build call, for safety, for everything. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much. Okay.